What's good, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? My name is Kelvin. Before Gumbi KBG, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this, you know what to do. Hit the bell, like, subscribe, and let's get it, man. Without wasting much of your time, this particular episode is sponsored by HiFi Electronics. HiFi Electronics is a shop located in Area 3, opposite FDH Bank. You can go there to buy all your cool gadgets, all your musical stuff, all your musical equipment. Dude, this is a place to go when you want to buy, some professional, nice, top-level musical equipment. Talk about PA systems, microphones, and a bunch of things. And talking about microphones, they called me up and they're like, yo, come through, check this microphone out. Maybe you can, give your 2 cents or let the people know that we are selling now the live streaming hybrid microphones. I was like, okay, we'll give it a shot. So I went there, got myself this nice, pretty small microphone, the live stream microphone, the Hybrid LSM1, because what it does is very fascinating. And I was like, you can really use this for your live streaming, agendas or missions, because it has the functionality of acting as a sound card, but also it can act as a microphone, as a standalone microphone. So when you open the box, all you find is a menu, and it tells you what this thing can do, or what each port on the mic can do. So the usual stuff. Every microphone or every gadget these days is coming with a menu, but we barely read the menus anyway. So I'm gonna just throw it away, put it down there, so that I can just figure out things on my own, which is pretty much a very dumb idea, because it will take time to figure it out, other than just reading the menu and knowing what it does. Yeah, you know what I mean? But anyway, what's the fun in reading the menu anyway? We're just gonna try to switch it on and see what happens. But yeah, boom. So if you check out at the back, there's a bunch of connection ports here. This one right here is for your this is for your charging. This one is the one that you connect from here to your PC. When you connect this one to your PC, it will act like a sound card or whatever you want to call it. But right here is where it gets interesting. You get one port for your headphones and the other one for your speakers, so you can listen to whatever is going into this microphone. And then here you connect to your phone. This is the connection to your phone if you want to record to your phone. This one is for your music, so you connect here as an external audio source. So let's say you want to play your music by live streaming music, you can connect here. If you want to record direct to your phone, this one. So whatever goes into this mic, it goes to your phone. This is the port. If you want to charge while doing your thing, this is the port. If you want to connect to your PC so that you can record what is here direct to your PC, this is the port. And so on and on and on. But we need to switch on this mic and see what's inside, because it has some interesting features. I checked out, it has reverb in there, it's got an echo, an EQ, and a bunch of other effects, right? So what you do, you just come straight to the, just press it like so, boom, and then it switches on, tells you my name is Hybrid and I'm LSM1, that's my surname. So when you open it, when you switch it on, you get this menu, and it will show you the volume level, it will show you the effects level, the record volume level, and the pitch. And this is the menu for the mic. I think when you go down, wait, chill. Oh, this is to set the levels of whatever menu you've selected. And then to go down, that's where you just press on the fan up and down button, and then you go down there where you see there's a mic menu, and then there is another menu there, the EFF menu. That's the effects menu. I think when you enter that, you see there's reverb, and then there's reverb, and then there's this is where you switch it on and off. Wow, this is pretty cool. You switch on your reverb here and off here, and when you go back, when you go back here, and then you can change to echo or reverb. So these are the two effects that you find in there, is echo and reverb. And when you go down to these other parameters is where you can, you know, change the dry, the wet, the width, the room, the damping, and all that kind of, you know, stuff for your fun. You just play around with those things and see what it does. And then down here you get another menu. It's the EQ menu. You enter there all the parameters of the EQ, you find them there, but I don't want to do that right now. So go back and then let's go to the system menu. Boom, enter, and that's where you can, you know, play with the pro mode or the comb mode. The record mode is where you can do the dry and the wet and change all these parameters. Just mess around and do what it do. But when you mess up pretty bad and you want the settings to come back to normal, this is the button, restore button. Very important when you mess up, you know. So just enter that, and then it'll ask you, do you want to reset all the parameters? And what you need to do is to say yes and then enter. Boom, and then it's going to format. Back to normal. Pretty straightforward stuff, you know, if you ask me. So this is a pretty cool microphone to have. If you're a live streamer, you can use it in so many applications. You know, you can hook it up on the desk, you know, for a small, you know, conversation, or you can just record other stuff for ambience. Even for here, you can just hook it up like so, and it'll be picking up the stuff, my vocals, like the pro mic that it is. But honestly, the quality in this mic is pretty nice. I'm gonna see if I can try record and play it and see, and otherwise I think you should go get yourself a mic like this at HiFi Electronics if you don't want to go big, but if you also don't want to go low. So if you want to be like professional and intermediate, this one I think it's a pretty good buy, a value for your money. You get it for like 70 grand only, and trust me, with all these ports, you can really use it, and it can really come in handy for live streamers. I mean, I'm a phone, my live streamers, I mean, I'm a PC, and yeah, try it out and see what it do. But for me, what I've learned along the way into live streaming career, I've learned that sometimes you just need to buy a gadget and try it and see how you can apply to your ecosystem of your live streaming. So what else do you find in the box? You find a bunch of cables, connectors, blah blah blah, you know, the same from your for 3.5mm jack from here to your, you know, to your PC, to your phone, to your blah blah blah, and you get I think you get 2 of these, you know, and then you get the charger. That's it. Yeah, you get yourself some good gadget, microphone, good sound for your live streaming, and you're good to go. All in a box, small as this. It can fit in your pocket. I'm sure it can.